Building systems and maintenance. Building systems and maintenance. Building systems are integral components of any structure, ensuring its functionality, comfort, safety, and efficiency. The following are some of the components of building systems, some of the things that make up a building system. First is HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The purpose is to provide thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality. The components are heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The heating component includes furnaces, boilers, heat pumps, and radiators. Ventilation components include mechanical systems like fans, ducts, or natural means such as windows and vents, which removes stale air and introduces fresh air. Air conditioning. These are centralized systems, split units, chillers, cooling towers, and ductwork. Control systems. These include thermostats and building management systems to help optimize HVAC operation. Electrical, and the purpose is to distribute and manage power throughout the building. Components include service entry, where the utilities power supply enters the building. Main panel that distributes power to sub-panels and circuits. Sub-panels, which feed power to specific areas or systems. Wiring and cabling, which connects devices and systems to power. Outlets and switches, which provide power points and control for devices. Safety features, which include circuit breakers, ground faults, circuit interrupters, and surge protectors. Plumbing, purpose to supply water, dispose waste, and provide gas if applicable to a building. Components are supply system, which brings in fresh water, drain waste vent system, which removes wastewater and allows sewer gases to escape. Fixtures, which includes taps, sinks, toilets, showers. Water heaters, which provide hot water. Gas lines, which supply gas to appliances and heating systems. Safety features, which provides pressure relief valves, backflow preventers, and trap seals. Life safety. Purpose is to ensure the safety of the occupants in emergencies. Components include fire protection, which includes sprinkler systems, standpipes, and fire extinguishers. Fire detection, which includes smoke detectors, heat detectors, and fire alarm panels. Emergency lighting, which illuminates exit paths during power outages. Egress systems, which are stairwells, exit doors, and pathways that allow occupants to leave the building safely. Communication. These are alarm sounders, voice alarm systems, and public address systems to instruct occupants. Safety protocols. These are regular drills, evacuation plans, and safety training for occupants. Predictive, preventive, and corrective maintenance. Now, maintenance is a crucial activity in any organization to ensure that equipment and machinery remain operational and efficient. And depending on the approach, timing, and purpose, maintenance can be classified into various categories. First is predictive maintenance. Now, predictive maintenance involves monitoring the performance and condition of equipment during regular operation to detect potential faults, potential failures. By predicting when equipment will fail, you can perform maintenance just in time to avoid unplanned downtime. The methods involves utilizing condition monitoring tools and techniques like vibration analysis, infrared thermography, motor current analysis, ultrasound, and oil analysis. The benefits include to reduce downtime by providing timely warnings about potential issues, Maintenance is done only when necessary, potentially saving costs. Drawbacks: this requires significant investment in monitoring equipment and tools, and it also requires skilled personnel for data interpretation. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance involves periodic checks and routine maintenance actions to prevent equipment failure. It's just like changing the oil in your car at specified intervals. The methods are often based on time or usage schedules. For example, every 3 months or every 1,000 hours of machine operation. The benefits include reducing unexpected breakdowns, extending the lifespan of equipment. It is easier to plan and budget since it is scheduled. Drawbacks: it can lead to over-maintenance. Now, replacing parts that still have a useful life is one of the drawbacks, one of the setbacks of preventive maintenance. Scheduled maintenance might not catch known routine failures. So it is not 100%, it is not a perfect means of maintenance since it may not catch known routine failures. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance involves fixing equipment and systems after a fault or failure has occurred. It's reactive in nature. Now, the method involves troubleshooting and repairing equipment after a breakdown. Benefits: can be cheaper in the short term since maintenance is only done when there is a failure. Now, no initial investment in predictive technologies or rigorous scheduling. Drawbacks. Now, some of the drawbacks include unexpected breakdowns, which can be more costly due to unplanned downtime, especially if the equipment is critical. The potential for a higher frequency of failures and repairs, which can reduce the lifespan of equipment. Safety risks if a failure leads to hazardous situations. Before we proceed, kindly take some few seconds to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Kindly do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen, either on your left hand side or on your right hand side. Also click on the notification button to be notified whenever we release new videos such as this. Click on the notification button to get notified, to be the first to know when we release news videos such as this. Kindly do so within some few seconds. I'm waiting for you to do so if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much. Now we proceed. Maintenance scheduling and documentation. Maintenance scheduling and documentation are essential aspects of any equipment or system management in industries ranging from manufacturing to IT. Proper maintenance can extend the life of equipment, ensure safety, and reduce the occurrence of unexpected breakdowns, which could lead to costly downtimes. Now, the following are some of the types and the need for maintenance. The first, inventory and assessment. Now, you need to list all assets. Make an inventory of all equipment and systems. Next, assess current condition. For each asset, determine its current state. This could include things like wear and tear, age, and any unknown issues. Types of maintenance. Preventive maintenance, which are scheduled tasks performed at regular intervals to keep equipment in optimal condition. Predictive maintenance, which uses data analysis and monitoring tools to predict when maintenance will be required. Corrective maintenance. This addresses issues and breakdowns as they occur. Establish a maintenance schedule. First is the frequency and then timing. Now, for the frequency, depending on the asset's nature and criticality, set up daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual checks. And for the timing, schedule maintenance during off-peak hours or times when the disruption will be minimized. Document procedures. Now, standard operating procedures. For each maintenance activity, document the steps involved. Checklist. Create detailed checklists for technicians to follow during maintenance. Next, train your team. Ensure that technicians are well trained on the SOPs and any equipment-specific requirements. Record keeping. Digital systems. Use computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, or enterprise asset management software to track and schedule maintenance activities. Paper trails. For businesses not using digital systems, maintain a manual logbook. Review and adjust. Periodically review the maintenance schedule and documentation. As equipment ages or operational requirements change, adjustments may be necessary. Emergency protocols. Document procedures for unexpected breakdowns or failures. Vendor management. If third-party vendors provide maintenance services, keep records of their certifications, contact details, and any contractual or obligations. Safety first. Always prioritize the safety of technicians and other personnel. Ensure that safety procedures are documented and followed. Regular audits. Conduct periodic maintenance audits to ensure compliance with the schedules and to check the quality of maintenance work. Feedback loop. Create a system where technicians and operators can provide feedback on the maintenance procedures. They might offer valuable insights that can help in improving processes. If you haven't done so yet, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the screen. Also, click on the notification button to get notified of our future videos. If you find this video especially helpful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your audience on social media.